I usually eat them fried.
Didn't think you'd be man enough for that.
I never thought I'd say this, Finn, but I don't ever want to see another donut again. All right, more for me then. Oops, sorry.
Watch it. Those tasty little slimers are quick.
Gloopy fruit? How can you stomach that stuff?
Boy.
Yeah, radar's a handful sometimes, but what are you gonna do?
Some of us had a little trouble with that.
Can I have some more cheese? Oh, excuse me. You want the rest, boss? I think I finally had enough.
Hey, how'd you know about that?
What is it with you and getting eaten